La Huasteca Potosina, located in the northeastern part of Mexican state San Luis Potosí, known for its lush jungle, wildlife, crystal clear rivers, and of course, cascading waterfalls, one of which we could not live without paying a visit, the Tamul waterfalls. Alright, first stop of the morning. Gonna get some chips and things to eat. We have about a 3-hour tour with our guides. It's gonna be 2 of them plus 2 of us rowing on the boat, so a total of 4. And yeah, we're gonna get something to eat. We drove our little home on wheels into the beautiful town of Tanchachin, located about 4 hours from the closest international airport. Its population is considered small, of approximately 1,000 people, and it's only about 96 meters above sea level, making it one of the hottest towns we have visited during our road trip in Mexico. Alright, we got a bunch of junk food for the ride: papitas, Cheetos, and Gatorade.
Fred. Ahí meto un poquito más. Bueno, yo creo que está bien.
Alright, so we made it to La Morena, Tamul, and we're about to jump on this boat where we're gonna row for I don't know, about 3 hours is the tour. We paid a couple of locals about 1,600 pesos, which is I don't know, $80. They're gonna take us around and show us. I mean, actually, I don't know, because my wife, she planned everything. I'm just here for the ride. So I hear there are some waterfalls, but I have no idea what they look like. I hear there is a cave. I have no idea what it looks like. And I'm just here for the ride. So let's hope we have a good time.
Bueno, ahorita vamos a iniciar el recorrido, chicos, el que ya les había comentado. 4 kilómetros río arriba en contra de la corriente. Cada quien lleva un remito ahí a sus costados por si gustan ayudarnos a remar.
Claro. Okay, so the rowing to get to the waterfall is 45 minutes, and I think we rowed half of that, so about 25 minutes so far. So we got another halfway to go to make it to the place, but it's hot, so like I'm sweating, and it's only 9 a.m. or 9:30, I think, so it's kind of hot. So I suggest coming in early in the morning.
Alright, so there's a section in the water that is kind of like a rapid, and they've asked us to jump off the boat and walk about 300 meters so we can make it to past that and jump back at the boat so we can get to the waterfall. So that's what we're doing right now. How you doing over there? We made it.
We made it. Whew.
How are you feeling?
Finally. Hot.
Sweaty?
Very sweaty. Yeah.
Can't wait to jump in the water.
Oh my god, yeah.
In Chapulson.
See, oh, look at that butterfly.
Wow. I don't even know if I have any memory card left. Seems like I only have 2 minutes, but this is beautiful. Look at this waterfall back there. ¿Para qué llevarlo?
Okay, we just got to Cueva del Agua, which is water cave, and oh, what the hell was that? Sorry. Aggressive. They're aggressive butterflies. Well, anyway, sorry about that. We got to Cueva del Agua, which is water cave. We have to hike up 100 meters to get to it, and then we can jump in the water and swim in it. Cool. Ahí está el otro.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Uf, qué helado está.
¿Has estado?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see. What a show off. He's such a show off.
Tira la cabeza. I got those. Oh, I don't know if they're. I don't know if
No,
they're
¿no van a
gonna
tirar?
get it.
¿Sí? ¿No van a tirar agua?
No? Ah, bueno.
Ok, entonces no.
Menos mal. Hola. Oh, they didn't attack us, so we didn't attack back.
Yeah, they have this thing where they throw water at each other. So it's kind of funny because it's just fun. It makes it fun and entertaining. But
Yeah,
some
if
people
you
don't
want to
like-
get wet.
Yeah, some people don't like getting wet. But I mean, you're in a river. You are going to get wet.
Yeah, exactly. So, what do you think of this place? Do you
Oh, I
like
love
it?
this place. This place
Would
is
you
really-
recommend it?
Uh-huh. Yeah, I think I recommend. I think it's beautiful. It has You know, if you like the water, if you like being in a river, if you like waterfalls, if you like caves, if you like swimming, like this, it has it all in that sense. So I think you should definitely do it. Come this way. It's worth it. Ese man tiró toda la vaina. Ese man tiró todo. Ese chico tiró toda la.
Alguien se tragó un litro de agua. Somebody drank like a little water. They had their mouths literally like
Okay,
this.
somebody threw a whole pat of water at us. Thank you for riding with us on this episode. We're Steph and Alejo, and this is our Pan-American journey.